To work collaboratively with other scorers and analysts, each person must log in with their username and password, which will connect to the relevant competition management system. There are many different types of people who can connect simultaneously to the cricket match and either write, amend or read the data being added to this match. Writers can include scorers, analysts and competition or system administrators, while readers include players, coaches, match referees, media departments and other interested parties belonging to your cricket club. Any number of people can score the same match as support scorers, but only one person at any one time can be the live scorer, whose scoring is uploaded to the competition management system. Internet connectivity is required by all those who want to read or write to the match. The live scorer should start proceedings by downloading the fixture and turning it into a cricket match. The live scorer should click on the File menu and select Start Match from Fixture. If you aren't already logged in, the login dialog box will appear now, asking for your username and password to connect to the competition management system. Use the filter buttons to help locate the correct fixture, especially when multiple fixtures exist for the same club, or your platform allows access to all competitions and fixtures. Select the fixture that you want to score and click on Continue. Use the Start Match from Fixture box to set up the team and match information. Some fields, such as competition, match type and venue, may be pre-populated with details from the competition management system. Team lists may also be pre-populated by team selection or with the most recent players to play for these teams, either in your local database or on the server. When match setup is complete, click on the Start Scoring button and select Start as Live Scorer from the pop-up menu. The fixture has now been turned into a match, which can be opened and worked on collaboratively by all other writers and readers. To ensure that everyone is working on the same version of the match and enable collaborative working, all other readers and writers should click on the File menu and select Open Match. The same filter system is available within the Open Match box to help locate the correct match. Select the relevant match and click the down arrow in the Open button in the lower right corner to reveal a pop-up menu from which the relevant role can be picked. When multiple readers and writers are connected to the same match, the right end of the status bar will display the number of people attached. The figure to the right of the pencil indicates the number of connected writers, such as scorers and analysts, while the figure to the right of the person indicates the number of connected readers, such as players, coaches, match referees and media staff. Hover the mouse pointer over one of these figures to view the names and roles of those connected. If the writers scoring a match or the readers accessing it are not sitting together, it may be useful to send a message to these other users. For example, to check another writer saw an umpire's signal, or to confirm the fielder involved in a dismissal. To do this, right-click on the relevant figure and select Broadcast Message from the pop-up menu. Type the message, select the group or groups of users to send the message to, and then click on Send. The message will appear in a pop-up window on all screens of the users in the selected groups, indicating who this message originated from, and will remain open until OK is clicked. Connected writers can configure automatic end-of-over checks via Tools, Configuration. On the Network tab, ensure that Show End-of-Over Score Check when other scorers are connected is ticked. At the end of each over, the current team and individual scores of the first 3 writers to end the over will be compared and displayed on all 3 people's screens for confirmation. If the end-of-over score checkbox confirms scores identical, click on Close or press Enter to clear the box and continue scoring. If a discrepancy is found, Scores Differ will be shown in red text, and the differences in scoring will also be displayed in red. The person with the incorrect scoring should click on Go to Edit Mode, select the delivery on which the error occurred, and make the required adjustment. When Edit Mode is exited, if any of the other writers still have the End-of-Over Score checkbox open, a repeat check will be made to confirm that scores are now identical. While internet connectivity is maintained, scoring and analyst data entries will be automatically uploaded to your competition management system at the pre-selected times. These times can be set via Tools, Configuration, General tab. The Live Match Upload section contains 4 options. The lower 3 options are for automatic uploads on the following occasions: after each delivery or event, at the end of each over, wicket or interval, after a specified period of time. The manual option removes the automation and relies on the live scorer using the Sync Now arrows at the right end of the status bar when an upload is required. The Sync Now arrows can be used regardless of which live match upload option is set, to upload the current scores at any time. If your internet connection is interrupted, the match will automatically upload on reconnection. If, for any reason, the live scorer is unable to continue scoring, any support scorer can take over as live scorer. To do this, the support scorer should click on the Sync Now arrows on the status bar, or go to the Live menu and select Upload as Live Scorer. Then select Register as Live Scorer in the Upload Match window. The Upload as Live Scorer message will appear containing information on who the current live scorer is, when they last uploaded, the current state of play. There are 2 choices when taking over as live scorer. Download from server will download the current live scorers match from the competition management server and overwrite the original scoring of the person taking over. The new live scorer will then be able to continue scoring the match using the previous live scorers match to date. Select this option when you are sure that the previous live scorers match is the most up-to-date and correct version. Upload local copy is the reverse action, where the support scorers version of the match will be uploaded to the competition management server and will overwrite the previous live scorers version. The support scorer will then be able to continue scoring their own version of the match, but as live scorer. Select this option when you are sure that the support scorers match is the most up-to-date and correct version. Both choices result in further message boxes appearing to ensure that the new live scorer is aware of the result of the action that they are taking. Click on Continue twice to confirm that you want to take over as live scorer, and your scoring role will be updated in the status bar. The previous live scorer's role will be changed to local scorer when or if they continue scoring. When the previous live scorer enters another delivery, they will see a message informing them of the new live scorer and which version of the match is now the live version. To continue as support scorer as opposed to local scorer, close the current match and reopen it. To ensure that both scorers have identical scores up to this point, it is recommended to tick Download Latest from Server before choosing a scoring role. A message will be displayed warning that you are about to overwrite your local copy with the one from the server. Click on the Continue button, then enter the confirmation word as directed in the Confirm Overwrite window. Click on Confirm Overwrite and the match will be downloaded and opened in the scoring role that you chose from the menu. This process of downloading the live scorers version of the match can be used at any point during a match by a support scorer experiencing issues with their own version, who would like to continue scoring from a known point of accuracy.